Hello everybody, this is Ramesh Pani. In this video, we can talk about logarithmic function. The function f of x equal log base b of x is called logarithmic function of base b, where base b should not be equal to 1. Base b should be positive, x should be positive. Y equal to log base b of x is the logarithmic form of equation. B to the power y equal to x is the exponential form of equation. Y, the location of exponent in logarithmic form of equation. Here b is the location of the base. In exponential form, here b is the location of base. Here y is the location of exponent. This is the graph for exponential function b to the x. This is the graph for logarithmic function log base b of x, where the base b is greater than 1. This dotted line is the horizontal asymptote for exponential function, and this dotted line is the vertical asymptote x equal to 0 for the logarithmic function. The x-intercept for logarithmic function at 1, the y-intercept is at 1 for exponential function. The exponential function and logarithmic function are inverse function. Here the exponential function b to the x, and this is the logarithmic function log base b of x, where b is greater than 1, b is less than 1 and greater than 0. These exponential function and logarithmic function are inverse function to each other. The horizontal asymptote for exponential function y equal to 0, the vertical asymptote x equal to 0 for logarithmic function. The function f of x equal log base e of x is called natural logarithm function, where the base is e, the exponential. F of x is called ln of x. This natural logarithm is expressed as ln of x. The common logarithm properties and natural logarithmic properties. Log base b of 1 equal to 0, ln of 1 equal to 0. Log base b of b equal to 1, ln of e equal to 1. Log base b to the x equal to x, ln e to the x equal to x. B to the power log base b of x equal to x, e to the power ln x equal to x. This is the graph of log x, and this is the graph of ln of x. The graph of log of x has x-intercept at 1. The graph of ln of x has x-intercept at 1. The vertical asymptote x equal to 0 for ln of x. For log of x, the vertical asymptote x equal to 0. This graph is the exponential graph 2 to the power x, and this is the graph for logarithmic function log base 2 of x. They are inverse function to each other. Characteristics of logarithmic function. The domain of log base b of x is all positive real number, 0 to infinity. The range of logarithmic function log base b of x, all real numbers, negative infinity to positive infinity. The graph of log base b of x passes through the point 1 and 0. The x-intercept is 1. There is no y-intercept for log base b of x. When the base b is greater than 1, the function goes up, so it is an increasing function. When base b less than 1 or greater than 0, the graph goes down, so it is a decreasing function. Y-axis or x equal to 0 is a vertical asymptote. Transformation of logarithmic function. Vertical translation: log base b of x plus c, the graph goes upward c unit. Log base b of x minus c, the graph goes downward c unit. Log base b of x plus c, the graph goes left c unit. Log base b of x minus c, the graph goes right c unit. Minus log base b of x reflect the graph about x-axis. Log base b of minus x reflect the graph about y-axis. C of log base b of x vertically stretch if c greater than 1, vertically shrinks if c less than 1. Log base b of cx horizontally shrinks if c greater than 1, horizontally stretch if c less than 1, greater than 0. Let us discuss some transformation of logarithmic function. This is the graph for log base 4 of x. When add 3 to the function, it moves 3 units upward. Here, this is the graph for log base 2 of x, and this is the graph minus of log base 2 of x. They are reflected about x-axis. Here they are reflected about y-axis. Thank you.